Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here, and I'm here with another video on Paws. So Paws just brought up a new task which is about saving your allocation from this guy, which of course, if you remember very well, that was Grinch, who is the Christmas thief, trying to steal away Christmas from us, trying to steal our Paws Airdrop. So firstly, before I continue, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment in the comment section. Of course, you can join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything airdrop. So to do that, you go to this pause mask. So once you click on the pause mask, you see all your paws have been stolen by an unknown green monster. As you can see, green monster, that's Grinch, that's his hand. So of course, they said follow the beast footprint, completing the task along the way. So you tap on this icon firstly. So once you tap on it, tap on this angry face here, and you see this. So the next one is Paws lost, report it. So you click on go. Once you click on go, I think it will show you okay, so you have reported. It will now go to your telegram story, of course, so you now repost it. So after that, you click on this one, go post mask coming. It will take you to your Twitter, of course, and I will repost it. And I'll post this, of course. So once I've done that, the next task to do here is little body almost up. Okay, just do this so I actually avoid losing your. Follow this account. So you go back. I think it did not work. So if it's the same for you, you follow again, click on it again, and you wait for a while, then you go back. I don't know why this is not working. So after several trials, I've come to the realization that this thing actually will require that this page, this little body page, that's the AI dog page on what's it called, this page right here, will have to get to 500,000 followers first before you can actually continue. So for now, this is where you stop. Then once it gets to 500,000 followers, as you can see here, once it gets to 500,000 followers, you can continue these ones. So you can join my group. I will posting updates on when they get there so that you can go and claim and recover your Paws. As you can see, your Paws balance is literally 0. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp group chat. I will be dropping the link in the description, of course, and that's just it. Thanks.